Hello students, myself Bhagyashree Halankar, and you are going to learn weak stem and modifications of stem in module number 6. This module is from unit 1, Morphology of Angiosperms. Outline of the module is forms of weak stem, modifications of stem, and examples of plants showing weak stem and modified stem. At the end of the module, you will learn to explain the term weak stem, classify different forms of weak and modified stem, and cite examples of plants showing weak and modified stem. Let us study about the weak stem. The weak stems are delicate, thin, and soft. Being weak, they are unable to stand erect on their own and therefore require a support. Weak stems either grow flat on the ground or climb up by means of a support. Based on their position, they are classified into two types: the prostrate weak stem and climbing weak stem. Prostrate weak stem is further divided into 5 different types: runners, suckers, stolon, offset, and trailers. The climbing weak stem is divided into 3 types: twiners, lianas, and climbers. Let us learn in detail the prostrate weak stem. The weak trailing stem lying flat on the ground or which is buried in the top layers of the soil is a prostrate weak stem. Often, the prostrate branches of the stem bear adventitious roots and aerial branches at the nodes. These plants which bear the prostrate branches having adventitious roots and aerial branches are called as creepers. There are 5 types of prostrate weak stem. The first one is runner. Runner is a narrow, green, above ground prostrate branch developed from the buds present in the axil of lower leaves. From the lower leaves, number of runners develop. They spread in different directions. These runners, they have nodes and internodes. The nodes develop the scaly leaves and the axillary shoots. The axillary shoots develop aerially and these are called as crown. The example of a runner is Cynodon dactylon, that is Durva, and Centella asiatica, that is Brahmi. The second type of a stem is a sucker. Sucker is a non-green slender branch arising from the axillary buds present at the base of an aerial shoot. This branch grows horizontally in the soil and ultimately comes out to form a new aerial shoot. Suckers are found in Mentha species, that is Pudina, and Chrysanthemum species. The third type of a prostrate weak stem is a stolon. Stolon is a slender lateral branch which is developed from the lower parts of a main stem. This branch is with long internodes and it grows for some distance, bends downwards. When the tip touches the soil, the terminal bud produces a root and a shoot. Stolon is found in Jasminum species. The fourth type of a prostrate weak stem is offset. Offset is similar to runner. It is a prostrate branch which is shorter and thicker and only one internode long. The tip of the offset develops the rosette of leaves and the roots. Offsets are usually found in aquatic plants. The example of plants which shows offsets are Pistia species, that is water lettuce, Iconia crassipes, that is water hyacinth. The fifth type of a prostrate weak stem is trailer. In trailer, the shoots spreads horizontally along the ground without rooting at intervals. The example of a trailer is Boravia diffusa, commonly called as Punarnava. The second type of a stem is a climbing wick stem. This stem climbs by means of a support. The first climbing stem is a twiner. Twiner is a stem which is long and flexible, and the tip of the twiner is sensitive to touch. It can coil around an upright support like a rope. The example of plant which shows this habit are Clitoria ternacea and Dioscorea species. The second type of a climbing wick stem is lianas. Lianas are like twiners, but they are thick and woody. The young stem of lianas is sensitive to touch and flexible, due to which it can coil around the support. The example of a plant which shows this habit is Calicopteris floribunda. The third type of a climbing wick stem is climbers. Climbers are weak and flexible stem. They are unable to coil around the upright support by itself, so they require the help of certain clasping or clinging structures. Based on the type of the clinging or clasping structures, the climbers are divided into three types: the root climbers, tendril climbers, and spine climbers. Root climbers, they have the nodes, and the nodes bear the adventitious roots. With the help of the adventitious roots, they cling to the support. The example of the root climbers is piper beetle and pothos species. The second type of a climber is a tendril climber. This climber climbs by means of tendrils. Tendrils are green, thread-like spirally coiled structure sensitive to touch, which are developed by the modification of stem or leaf or floral bud. These tendrils can coil around a support and help the wick-stemmed shoot to climb up. The example of the plant which shows tendrils are Cucurbita species. The third type of a climber is a spine climber. Here, the climbing organs are the spines, which are curved. So by clinging with the spines, the plant climbs the support. The example of the plant is Asparagus species. Let us study the modifications of stem. The first modification of stem is phylloclade. Phylloclade is a green, fleshy, flattened or swollen cylindrical stem which takes the form and function of a leaf. These are found in the xerophytic plants. Here, the stem is photosynthetic, leaves are feebly developed or they are converted into spines. The example of phylloclade is Opuntia species and Muehlenbeckia species. The second type of a modification of stem is cladode. Cladode is a special type of a phylloclade which is one or two internodes long. It is needle-like, slightly flattened green structures. These are found in clusters in the axil of scaly leaf. The example of the plant which shows cladode is Asparagus. The third type of modification is bulbil. Bulbil is a modification of vegetative or floral bud. It is swollen due to the storage of food. It can function as an organ of vegetative propagation, and this is found in Dioscorea bulbifera, wherein it is a modification of the axillary bud. These are the references. Thank you.